ukukhuleka kwezizwe zonke. Ngiyanithanda abahlali neva. Uzozwa sebezongihubhela ukuthi ngiyahlekayo. Abantu basemzansi banenkinga. Banenkinga. Khonothi ngesikhathi uspokesperson ku-India bengikhuluma isilungu. Bayangibona ngikhuluma isilungu engabe ngikhuluma ngoba sekomnyama wasevenda. Sengikhuluma sengithi akakhulume owakabuyele kube bafethu. You are failing to understand into ezilula. Kodwa phela ngithi khona no grade R, no grade 1, no grade 12 namanyuvesi. Akhona la zona lezi zimo ukuthi khona phela nama slow learner. Ukuze neclass mali gejagejile okubili okuthatha uphinde ucatch up yabona konakele lutho. Should khona abagejwe leli class ngoba into esibangayo nendoda sibanga isilungu asibanga isivenda asibanga ibala sibanga ukuthi yankwerezela indoda manje angazi ukuthi sifika kanjani lapha esengicwasa ngobuhlanga khona ngoba inkinga yami abantu bafuna ngikhuluma ulimi lokuhamba khona bezolokhu bengitshela ukuthi ngigeje lokho kufunwayo khona ayizogeja abahlali. You want me to apologize for what? I need to understand ngoba ningi mbone khona lapha ngithi mina ngiyaboniseka nami ngiphinde ngibonise njoba iminingi nje imbono okunye sikubhekayo ukuthi is it the tone that is an issue, even if the tone was justifiable, but at the end of the day tone was disrespectful, even if it was justified. That one I can apologize for corner. That one I can apologize definitely, and my family is not proud of speaking ngaleya tone. As for ukuthi ngithe kwere explain that ukuthi kaZulu ingane zami kugogwazo eyikhuluma isingisi kugogwazo amakwere ingane zami ezabesuthu ngizala besuthu ke mina ezami ingane ezase Free State ngishadele Free State ngoba khona nabafuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni ingane zami zamakwerekwere ekhaya kithi abesuthu baze bezawabize ngamahlokohloko wami ugogo akusiyihlamba le. So if ufundise ngendlela ofundiseke ngayo I cannot be apologetic about that ngoba wena kukuthi usalile la usale khona futhi okwesibili isilungu sakho it's your choice ukukhuluma isilungu. Mina ngangisifundela ukuthi ngikwazi ukuphuma la ngifuna ukuphuma khona but akusiyimpoqo. Mina ke zimbasada yeZulu Kingdom I advocate for our people. So if people don't understand that ukuthi mina responsibility yami yini hayi boba nenkinga. I don't go around ngihambe kungathi ngikhohli ukuthi ubani, and it's my right ukukhuluma ulimi lwami because ngabe ifocus ishiftile kwakhulunywa ngolimi ukuthi enjalo nje ubheda isingisi enjalo nje this ukuthi ngisibheda because ngicabange ngesiZulu ngenxa ukuthi ngidiniwe ngihlukumezekile and ngiyaphuthuma and kunabantu abanye abacabanga ukuthi nginenkinga njoba ngikhona lapha inkinga eqondene nabo kanti it wasn't about them. So mina needed to do what I needed to do and leave engikubizelwe lapha ya. So if uthi ngiyasangana definitely you are not wrong. Ukusangana ke mawungisanganisa ngizokusanganela. Uma futhi ungidisrespect just like that man, he was disrespectful. Ukuthi nifuna ukuba relevant emaphoyiseni nina noma nifuna ukwenza njengalaba sebeqalile bethi bathi bayahlela lapho yokusho abantu beMK, the very same people ucelo besaw national organizer weMK party lapha neofisini lasePoint. The reason why amaphoyisa asePoint ayisehlulekile ukusibopha kodwa ucele neoffice lakho kwamkhipha ke office ngoba mhlawumbe abantu abazi ukuthi ucele wakhishwa yini ngaphandle kokuthi bekuthiwa kunezinye idori okwamkhiphe officeini kunakho konke kwafanele sibuyele so address udaba lokuthi amaphoyisa athehlule ukusibopha ngoba isizathu sokusibopha besingekho nina nafuna ukufezeka izinhloso zenu la kubangwa khona icombat nokuthi kunenqwaba amasosha agcine submit endlunkulu mabebafuna befuna ukuhamba into zephathi bengawathola amasosha sibanga into engafanele ngabe siyayibanga thina nabo. So they ended up besibophisa khona lapho yena ucele nethimba lakho organize uzungu ummeli wathi akayomela ogogo laba kube ukuthi uyena omela icase yogogo yase Elwin Court njengabantu okuyibona abahlukumezekile. Hayi sayilwa ke baze baphuma uzungu. Uthe nje sebuya wangifonela yena futhi ngelinye ilanga wathi ufuna ukungibona mntwana ngikhishwe ngokungekho fair officeini because kuthiwa ngidla imali, kuthiwa ngenza amagaladina, ngisebenzisa i-account odizathu ukuthi ngisebenzisa i-account yami, kwakwezathu sokuthi ngicelile i-account banganginika ngaze ngasebenzisa i-account yami. Yikho igaladina ayikhokha on my personal account wangijustifyela istory, but ke angisebenza udaba lika Floyd ngeke azahlale officeini because uFloyd untshontshile imali. There's evidence. Ngithi I write ama report. Yabona nje ngoba nawe uphumile kwi-office ukhishwa ama report, nawe write ama report. Unxamalala makufanele akukhipha uzokukhipha, thina sisebenza ngokuyikhona. Maye mbuyisa nje bangenzeka ebuyiseke akusikho kwami okunye okuningi ekhona. Bese ngikhohliwe ke by the way. So indaba isivuswa ukuthi amasosha setha usebeqalile nange sethreatnisha ukuthi there's something that amaphoyisa are cooking, and this time labantu amasosha ekhanjwa nazo boshwa ngisho abameli ngeke benze lutho, ngeke baze bapaquze ngisho ukupaquza, and kwalowo mntwana khona they will deal with yena. Lapho usho isibhamu udlula naso usivezile, akawuvalile uzipho fanele wadlula siyawuvala uzipho. Asazi ke noma sisemthethweni noma sikhemthethweni bayazana bona. Ngokunjalo nomama obebhizi ethukana namasosha laphana ethreatnisha kahle kahle ukuba siwumfazi njengami umama loya bekufanele ngabe ngimvulela icase from all the evidence eshuthiwe lapha. Enye into nalento ebisikhukhwa ke yibo laphana nale information ebebedila nawo nokuthi bazohlangana kanjani ba organizer nezinkabi khona laphana nama private security abanye behle bayaspire following us doing that, and bafowethu abantu baba personal we are doing umsebenzi wethu. Uma usuwonile kulula kabi ukuthi uthi uyaxolisa la uwone khona, and impilo must go on. So ungabe usufuna ukuyenza ibe personal into ebikade ingalungiseka. Mina mawusungifaka phansi kwebhasi fanele ngiyidefend at all cost. Now uma usiyenza iba personal olunye udaba, ake ngithi ngoba sinawo amaslow learner kule group, angibuyele lapha nendabeni yokubuya kwami la ngikhulumisa udaba lekwerekwere ukuthi yini kwerekwere. Ongizwile ungizwile, ongafuna ukungizwa futhi access indaba yami leyo ukuthi ngiphinda ngikhulumise lelo daba. But ke sizoyasicathulisana laba abafuna ukuze laba abafuna ukuthuka hayikhulule kanje nizobathola ontanga beni lapha ema groupini, uthola ukuthi kwaleyo nhlamba ngizwa nangendaba kodwa khona badila nabo khona ngoba asina sikhathi sibhizi kakhulu. But khona ongihlekisa lo ufike waqala ngokungithuka kanti wakwangi inbox edinga usizo, mase ngingena ngithi ngichecka inbox ngiyaphendulana mina abafowethu ngibe ngilokhu ngincenga from time to time ngiyasithola isithuba bese ngikuphendula. Uyabona nje base bengena kwamanye ama post nje amadala angazi noma bathi bayangilaya noma bathi benzani mabengena laphana. They are funny, they are very funny, and we are ukuthi njobe share kangaka nje lama post egijima ko 67K esami status alone share kangaka lapha sesuke sekhona ngisena control sekwabantu abanye sebene control khona. So mawucabanga ukuthi uza kwesami status uzothuka kumina la ngikwazi ukubona khona, hey ngibusy man, yazi ngibusy, but ke ukudlula kahle I'm busy with abantu bamanye ama provinces and we understand each other. So if there are those abafila ukuthi bona because abasela impompo banjani, hayi shuthi mina ke kushuthi sinenkinga nanezingane zami ke lezi ezalwa isiso sami including yona le ngithishiswa amaphoyisa ngoba kushuthi ikwerekwere la livela khona nobani ikwerekwere la livela khona. So abantu ke bengifuna ukusho lokho ukuthi kanti abantu bangaka eSouth Africa, I'm surprised pho abantu bahlukunyezwa yini endaweni zabo koze kuqale phansi kugijime thina sosizabona endaweni zabo noma imnqolo yabafana ivela mangabe sekufanele kukhulunywe indaba zabafazi obeza abafazi phela lezade beyikhuluma. Uyabona nje they are busy attacking umfazi, ake bafuna ontanga yabo. Uma ngabe bengasiyi imnqola bathola ontanga yabo ibambane zabafana, abafazi beze ngapha siqhuthane sabafazi sisodwa thina sikhathiwe ke kaZulu. So mangithi umnqolo nje sebezothi sengibathukile ngibabize ngemnqolo. Uma ungalazi igama lomnqolo buza umZulu uzokutshela ukuthi umnqolo ukuthi ngathiwa abafazi bahamba bayolwa udaba lamadoda afika bamba ama spam donors angazi abasazondla iy'ngane zawo, yithi futhi ekufanele sigijime for lezi iy'ngane abangazondlanga ezondliwa uhulumeni zahamba ney'khukhula. Abekho bonke obaba leziya y'ngane. Imnqolo leyo namhlanje kwazi ukukhuluma ithuke mina ngizokuphinda futhi lokho ukuthi imnqolo leyo ibikuphi kufanele ukuthi ilwele abantu bakube South Africa. It doesn't matter ukuthi useVenda, it doesn't matter ukuthi use-North West, it doesn't matter ukuthi ukephi, wherever la ukhona nemnqolo bafana. Why ngizohamba ngiyoma phakathi kwamadoda ngumfazi ngilwa indaba zenu nemnqolo? Seniyakwazi ukulwa manje, wozani ke sihambe siyolwa izimpi la i-province ne-province ngizokucheck ukuthi uvelaphi. Mangifika kwelakini kulabo esilwa izimpi zabo ngizokulanda mangasiya umnqolo ngoba kusho ukuthi uyawazi ukilwa lempi. Why nizolisa abafazi? Angithokoze.